Your asset realized, how much percentage he got? So 10% above the book value, commission 3% on the asset realized. Other than they say you don't do preferentially, secured creditor we have taken on the bank loan, rupees 4 lakh, 48 lakh, 77,500 into 3 by 100. Asset realized, land and building machinery and building at 10% above the book value. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College at Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to handle Financial Accounting, third semester, Unit 4, Session 3, and session goes in favor of liquidation of a company of BBA is considered. So last time we discussed about the liquidation, how the company has been liquidated, what are the reasons. So today we are going to discuss another one problem regarding the liquidation. We'll move on to next slide now. So following is the balance sheet of small company which went in liquidation. We have got a preference share capital of rupees 15 lakh and equity share capital also 15 lakh, 30 lakh. This is 10 lakh, 50 plus 30, 40, 10 lakh, 50 lakhs are there. Then we see that company went into liquidation on the above date. So what is the date of the balance sheet now? The date of the balance sheet 31/3/2006. It has gone into liquidation. The expense of liquidation is 10,000. Liquidator is entitled to commission of 3% on all asset realized except cash and 2% of the amount distributed to unsecured creditor. Other than preferential creditor, that means they are not paying anything to preferential creditor. Creditor include preferential 80,000. Asset realized, land and building machinery and building at 10% above the book value, and debtor and stock realized 15% below the book value. Prepare liquidator statement of account. So first we'll do the working note. What about the value of the land? See that land is here, no? 15 lakh. Land is equal to 15 lakh plus 10% appreciation. Here the word, here no book value, here machinery and building at 10% above the book value. 10% of this is 1,50,000. It becomes 16,50,000. This goes in favor of land. Then building 12 lakh plus 10% appreciation 1,20,000. It becomes 13,20,000. Then here land, okay. Then building over machinery 10 lakh plus 10% 1 lakh. It becomes 11 lakh. This over, plant and machinery over, building over. Then debtor and stock is 15% below value. This over, stock. This is 6 lakh. 6 lakh minus 15% below book value 90,000. 5,10,000. Then debtors, your stock over debtor is 3,50,000 minus 15%, 52,500. Deduct 3,50,000 minus 2,97,500. Realization. Okay. We'll go slowly now. Receipts. What's your cash at bank? Your cash is 1,50,000. Cash 1 lakh 50,000. Assets realized. Asset realized. First is land. 16,50,000. What is next one? Building. 13,20,000. Then machinery. 11 lakh. Then stock. Stock 5,10,000. Debtors 2,97,500. So land over, building, machinery, stock, debtor, cash you have taken, this won't come. Okay. Add the figure. If you add the figure, 16,50,000. 16,50,000 plus 13,20,000 plus 11 lakh. 11 followed by 50 plus 5,10,000. 5140. 5,10,000 plus 2,97,500. 200 plus 300. 48,77,000. So 13, 29, 30, 40, 47 lakh. 77. This is 500. 7. So 48 lakh. 77. So your cash is 1,50,000. So 48 lakh 77,500 is the realization. First one. By secured creditors. If you see that your balance sheet, your creditor is 60,000. Creditors 60,000. See that? It is 6 lakh. This is 6 lakh. Then what's the problem says? Asset realized, okay. The liquidated commission asset realized 2% on the amount distributed unsecured creditor. Creditor includes preferential creditor minus preferential creditors. Your preferential creditor is 80,000. Unsecured is 5,20,000. Your asset realized, how much percentage here got? So 10% above the book value. Commission 3% on the asset realized. Your asset realized is 48 lakh 77,500. 48 lakh. Commission 48 lakh 77,500 into 3 by 100. 48 lakh 77,500 into 3 divided by 100. 14,000. 1,46,325. Okay. 1,46,325. We'll go with now. By secured creditors. Here debenture is secured against the building. Debenture is secured against the building. Okay. Bank loan against the stock. Assume that secured. Here creditor included preferential. That's all. Then all as debenture, bank loan against stock, it has been security. Assume that it is secured. Debenture is secured on building. Bank loan against stock. Assumption. Secured creditors. Bank loan. Bank loan has been taken. Here bank loan 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 4 lakh has been taken. Secured creditor. No legal expenses, I think so. There is no legal expenses. Liquidator remuneration. Liquidator remuneration. 3% on asset realized. You have calculated 1,46,325. 1,46,325. Then 2% on unsecured creditors. 2% on unsecured creditor. Here creditor 5,20,000 into 2 by 100. 0 cancelled out. 10,400. 10,400. This is 5, 2, 7, 6, 5. 1,56,725. Any liquidation expenses? Asset liquidate entity to commission 3% on suicide other than expense of liquidation 10,000. Liquidation expenses 10,000. Whom to pay now? Debenture. Secured debenture. No interest is there. How much debenture is payable? Debenture against the building 10 lakh. It is 10 lakh. Next, preferential creditor. Your preferential creditor is 80,000. Then unsecured creditor. I will explain. So your cash is 1,50,000. Your asset realized 48,77,500. So 4 lakh is secured on the bank loan. 1,56,000. Liquidation of 10,000. Debenture is 10 lakh. Preferential creditor 8,000. Then unsecured creditor 6,80,000 is 5,20,000. Is it 6 lakh? See that? Then, so first one. So then you have to pay preferential creditor. Then 15 lakh is there. Then you have to pay 15 lakh equity shareholder. Here no. 15 lakh, 10% is 16 lakh 50,000. Then 12 lakh, 13 lakh 20,000, 11,000, 5 lakh 10,000. So 16, 29, 30, 40, 45, 48,000, 77. Out of that, 48, 77, 500 plus 1,50,000 here minus 4 lakh 40 divided by 50,1,2,3,4 lakh minus 1,56,725 minus 10 lakh, 10 followed by 50 minus 10 lakh minus 80,000 minus 5 lakh 20,000, 28 lakh 70,000, 28 lakh 70,000. Any debenture other than preferential expense liquidation. That's all. Then you got 15,000 equity share. Nothing is there. How much you have to pay to preference shareholder? Any dividend is there? See that? No dividend is there. Preference share capital 15 lakh fully paid minus 15 lakh 13 lakh 70,775. Who is the last man to pay? Here this has been paid. 15,000 equity share of 15 lakh you have to pay. But how much available? Equity shareholder. How much left over? 13 lakh 70,775. This is, see that, 4 lakh plus 1 lakh 56,725 plus 10,000 plus 10 lakh plus 80,000 plus 5 lakh 20,000 plus 15 lakh plus 13 lakh 70,775. Now 48 lakh 77,500 plus 1 lakh 50. This is 500. 148 lakh. This is 1 lakh 50,000. 150. 1 lakh 50. 150. 50 followed by 30. 1 lakh 50. 48 lakh 77,500 minus 4 lakh minus 1 lakh 56,725 minus 10,000. This is 48 lakh 77,500 plus 1 lakh 50,000 150 minus 4 lakh 4 followed by 50 minus 1 lakh 56,725 minus 10,000 minus 10 lakh 10 followed by 50 1 2 3 4 5 minus 80,000 minus 5 lakh 20,000 minus 15 lakh 13 lakh 60,775. That goes to equity shareholder. This is 5. This is 48, 77, 500 plus 1 lakh 50,000. 48, 77, 500 plus 150 followed by 30. 50 lakh 27,500 minus 50 lakh 27,500 minus 4 lakh minus 4 lakh minus 1 lakh 56,725 minus 10,000 minus 10 lakh 10 followed by 50 minus 80,000 minus 5 lakh 20,000 minus 15 lakh 12 lakh 29 something. So this is 4 lakh plus 1 lakh 56,725 plus 10 lakh plus 80,000 plus 5 lakh 20 520 followed by 30 plus 15 lakh 36 lakh 66,000 50 lakh 27 500, 36 lakh, 66, 725, 50 lakh, 27, 500 minus 36 lakh, 66, 13 lakh, 60,775. So it is 50 lakh. I will explain now. So here your cash realized is 1,50,000. Building is increased by 10%, land is increased by 10%, machinery is increased by 10%, stock is decreased by 15%, debtor is decreased by. Here is 48,77,500. You already there. Then if you see your working note now, you can understand. Your all these realization is there. Your commission is 48 where 3% will work out. 3 5 are 3 7s are 22, 3 7 21, 22 plus 3, 3 8 24, 1 lakh 46,325, and this unsecured is 2% is 10,400. Creditor is 6 lakh, preferential is 8 lakh, 5 lakh 20,000. Other than they say you don't do preferentially, secured creditor we have taken on the bank loan, rupees 4 lakh. Then 3% on asset realized, 2% on unsecured credit other than preferential creditor. Then we pay the liquidation expenses, debenture secured, then preferential creditor, then unsecured creditor, then preferential capital. There is no dividend is paid 15 lakh. How much amount left over is only 13 lakh 60,775. Actually, you have to pay 15 lakh. We have paid equity. You paid equity. You can working out, you can show that. You can show that equity. You have paid how much? 13 lakh 60,775. Actually, you have to pay 15 lakh. So, actually, you have to pay 13 lakh 60,055. 15 lakh minus 13 lakh 60,775, 1 lakh 39,225 less. Amount available, that's all. Whatever the amount available, you have paid. So if you work out the percentage, 13 lakh 60,775 divided 775 divided by 15 lakh 13 lakh 60,775 divided by, so 90% we paid. So balance 10% you could not pay. The shareholder you have to pay 15 lakh. How much you pay? 13 lakh 60,775. Preferential account full amount you have been paid. So hope you have understood this. So this is a realization. We go with the format: secured creditor, liquidation expense, liquidation, debenture secured, preferential creditor, unsecured, preferential shareholder full amount. 13 lakh 60,775 has been paid to equity shareholder. Actually, you have to pay 15 lakh. We paid that. Okay. Hope you have followed that. Here no. Here we have followed. We have what's the format? From secured creditor, then legal expenses, then liquidator remuneration, percentage on asset realized, percentage on unsecured creditor, but there is no preferential creditor, then liquidation expenses, debenture, because it is secured, there is no interest is there, then preferential creditor, unsecured creditor, preferential capital fully paid, the balance goes to equity shareholder. So we'll have another problem in the next class with 2 or 3 equity shareholder. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.